Yo, what's up everybody? Great V8 back with another video. On our way to Harbor Freight to pick up a couple things to finally get my wheel spaces done. They showed up today, so the time is finally here. Gonna throw on the wheel spacers, make a little video. So stay tuned. Pulling into our favorite store. My favorite discount store. Seatbelt chime going wild right now. Yeah, we're about to run in and actually grab a torque wrench because I had a 1/2-inch torque wrench at my old garage, and for some reason I just can't find that shit. So we about to head in, see what they got. They got a lot of Icon and Pittsburgh tools here. And I actually like the Icon stuff. It's pretty nice. Excuse me, brother. So yeah, what we're looking for is a torque wrench. Let's see if I can find it. Aisle 5, it said. We're gonna be close. I probably walked right by it like I always do. Yeah, they are. I was on the end cap. Whenever I can't find something, I go to the end cap, it's there. So they got a 1/2-inch. This should be good to torque the wheels and torque the wheel spacer to the hub. So we're gonna go buy this and head to the. Yo, what up guys? Just got the wheel spacers installed. It's so freaking hot out. I honestly didn't even film me installing them because it's so just miserable outside. But I got the wheel spacers on. They were pretty straightforward. Just jack up the car. They're hub centric, so they just bolt to the hub. Torque those to the hub. Torque the wheel to the spacer, and you're pretty much ready to go. Came out really good. I went with a 55mm, so it's not a crazy. I didn't poke them out, you know, an 1.5 inch, and to make it look freaking stupid, but just a little bit. I think I'm like in line with the fender, or just a tiny bit out from the fender now, and it looks really good. Check it out. So this is after the spacer. You can see it's not obnoxious, but it's just that little bit more. I still want to do lower end springs now that I see it with the spacer. I'll be able to do the springs with the spacer, but like I said, it's hub centric. I don't know if you can see it in there. There you go. Just bolts to the hub. I didn't go crazy thick, 55mm. But yeah, this looks so much better from the back. So much better. Like I said, I was gonna film the install, but it's just so brutally freaking hot outside. I didn't even want to fuss with the camera. But yeah, it looks really good. We're gonna go for a ride. I torqued them all to 110. I did 110 to the hub, and then I did another 110 for the wheel to the spacer, so should be pretty safe. I didn't use any impact. Everything was done with breaker bars and torque sticks. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. 55mm wheel spacers on the Scat pack. 275 tire, 275 40/20. The Brembos, so you can see the spacer. Yeah, we're gonna go for a ride. It looks so much better. Just leaving the garage. I'm cruising real slow down the road, just listening for any noises, anything weird going on. I don't hear anything. It sounds good. Not that should, you know, there shouldn't be a problem, but we just get a little nervous after installing wheel and suspension parts. You always just gotta take it easy. Make sure everything's good. Make sure there's no issues. Torque everything to spec. Like I said, I went to 110 foot-pounds for the spacer to the hub, and then the wheel to the spacer. So everything's torqued properly in the 5-star pattern. You know, you don't go in circles when you torque wheels. You go up, down, left, right, you know, star pattern, just to make sure everything's safe. But we're gonna go for a ride, and we're gonna see, make sure everything's good. It's a beautiful day out. It's hot as balls, dude. I may go clean the car. Just got to the car wash. Give this thing a quick clean, quick wax. Just try to go on a test drive after we did the wheel spacers. Everything's perfect, everything's mint. It looks so much better. Look how much better that looks. It's like night and day, bro. It's like literally night and day. It's like, I wouldn't say it's in line with the fender, it's a little bit out from the fender, just the littlest bit. You can see like, just the littlest bit. It's perfect in my opinion. Shit looks freaking sick. So much better. Just gonna give it a quick detail. Been using this one. Anybody use this one? It's been nice. Like after a wash, I don't have much left. I gotta get more, but like after you wash the car, it's like nice to just give this a quick wipe with this. Brings back the shine. My car's already ceramic coated, so it doesn't matter that much, but I did notice it brings out the shine. Just come up from the grocery store. Had to pick up a few things. Gonna have a little barbecue tonight, but just checking out the car again. Went to the car wash, cleaned it up. Got it all nice again. Man, these spacers look so good. I'm coming to the conclusion where I realized I should have probably filmed the installation video and actually filmed me putting on the spacers and actually showing you how they bolt up. But it's pretty straightforward. I mean, really, you just take the tire off, bolt it to the hub, bolt the tire back on. It's not like a crazy job. The average person could do it. All you need is a torque wrench and, you know, a breaker bar, really. I don't like doing it with impact. Just never really like using impact tools like that on stuff that's torque spec, because it ends up sometimes you don't have the right torque and then you just overdo it and you can drive it home too hard. But gave the car a nice cleaning. Just looks so good just sitting here in the parking lot. I don't know, sometimes I wish I bought a wide body, but something about the narrow body still just looks so good to me. Just looks so sleek, so clean. Now with the rear wheels just tucked out a tiny bit, it looks so freaking good. This car is sexy as fuck, dude.